Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing good. I know that it's been a very long time since I have filmed a YouTube video, that too long format video. And there are a lot of reasons because of why I haven't been posting like long format videos is because obviously the trends have changed and the audiences have changed. The kind of content that's being consumed has also been changed. Yeah, like I've just tried to analyze what works for me, what doesn't work for me. I have finally decided to use short form content as my main medium, and long format content has taken a little bit of backseat, but still hopefully this works as well, because I personally also enjoy shooting long format videos. So yeah, let's start with today's video is gonna be all about affordable and beginner friendly makeup kit for all of those people who are interested into makeup but is very dicey as to which products to go in for, because today the market is so big, the variety and scope of things are also so much that you tend to get confused in between and actually understand whether a product that's viral and that's hyped up so much is actually worth the hype and worth the quality. And there are a lot of questions that goes around. So with like a little bit of my experience, I've been using makeup since a lot of time now. A disclaimer that I do not have all of the products that I would be mentioning, but I will be popping up the pictures right here. The first product that we use before starting our makeup is a primer. Now, I have recommended a lot of times the mask primer. I have also spoken about the Nykaa primer and the MAC primer as well. Now, all these three primers have worked very well for me. Right now, I have started using this one. This is a mini that I got in the Nykaa sale, and this is again a very good primer. This is the Matte Plus Poreless normal to oily skin. So since I have oily skin, it really works well for me. And again, primer is something that is very essential that you have to use before makeup. This has like a little bit of fragrance, but I still believe that it's really very good. It looks very beautiful. Once you start applying makeup as well, the makeup starts looking very beautiful. If you are a strobe cream fan, like if you want that extra glow in your skin, and if you're a big fan of the Korean skincare, then I would highly recommend using a strobe cream. Now you can use the one from Lakme. It has a lot of different ranges that they've brought in as well, which is their Lumi Matte Moisturizer, which has a lot of inner glow, and I have again used the product quite a few times to show the kind of glow that it brings in. You can also use the one from Aqualogica. It has some amazing glow, and again I have recommended it a lot of times in my YouTube videos. So yeah, if you can go ahead with it, it is again optional. It is not a compulsion. You can use if you are someone who loves that perfect glow on your skin. Now, talking about bases, when we talk about makeup, the most important part of makeup is base. So, it depends actually if you're looking out for a high-end coverage foundation or if you're okay with a light to medium coverage. Now, the thing with Maybelline is Maybelline has some amazing skin tints as well as some amazing foundation, high wear foundations as well. And that's exactly why I keep recommending and going back to foundations from Maybelline, because they are really worth the hype. Now, the viral foundation, the Lumi Matte foundation, is something that I've been using since a very long time. Again, this is a long wear foundation, so it gives me like a 36-hour wear time and it stays really long. But if you're looking out for something that is, something from light to medium coverage as well, you can go for this as well. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the mini pack that I've got just to test if it worked for me or not. But yes, it definitely worked for me. And again, this gives you a light to medium coverage. If you do not want to wear a foundation at all, then you can definitely go ahead with tinted sunscreen. Tinted sunscreens are all over the market. It's trending a lot. Dot & Key has brought in so many different ranges as well in them. So yeah, if you're really excited and if you really like that minimal look, but yet you want to cover and conceal your spots, I think a tinted sunscreen will also go a long way. So these are like some good options that you can go ahead with depending on the kind of base that you're looking out for. Now, talking about concealers, I have spoken a lot of time about the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Maybelline Fit Me concealer is really good. The Age Rewind concealer is also very good. Now, the L'Oreal Infallible concealer is again a very good concealer. But with the thing again with concealers is extreme dark circles, it's always advisable to use a corrector before using concealer of your own shade. And the Swiss Beauty concealer is really good. Now it is highly affordable and the kind of coverage it gives you is amazing. Like I have never seen a concealer that affordable actually give you that amount of coverage. And if you're looking out for the high-end concealers, then obviously you can go for Fenty, you can go for Too Faced, then there are a lot of brands. You can go for the Charlotte Tilbury one, the Bobbi Brown one is really good, the Huda Beauty one is really good. So these are some high-end brands. Okay, talking about like lip balms. Now, lip balms is again one of my favorite products. And the first product that I had tried in was the Aqualogica Plum Plus Lucius tinted lip balm. Again, this gives you a very good tinted effect as well, and looks very beautiful. But it didn't have like it didn't last for a very long time, unfortunately, and that's exactly when I started trying out other products. But this also has sun protection, so if you're looking out for something just to wear randomly when you don't want to wear makeup and you just want to apply a lip balm, a tinted one, you can go ahead with this. This gives you some amazing color. The Dot and Key Gloss Boss lip balm is also very good. Now the color actually stays in for a very long time, like no matter whatever you eat, you drink, but still the color doesn't seem to go off, and that's the best part about the Dot and Key Gloss Boss lip balm. Having said that, the Dot and Key range again has a lot of different lip balms as well, but personally for me, the one that I've liked the most is the Gloss Boss one. The Hyphen VIP lip balms have gone viral. I tried it as well. It is very good. The Hyphen lip balm stays on for a very long time. It has that perfect vanilla flavor to it. You can obviously also find like the peach flavored lip balm as well in their range, but I personally love the vanilla one. It again has like SPF in it. It isn't tinted, but Hyphen has recently launched their tinted lip balms as well, so that also has like some different shade ranges in them. I haven't tried it out yet, but I believe that it would be really good. Wishcare lip balm has also like been really viral. I've seen so many creators recommend that as well. So yeah, you can go ahead with the Wishcare lip balm as well. The Nivea lip balms are very good, and yeah, these are some products that you can definitely check out for yourself. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be talking about is eyeshadows. Eyeshadows are again a very integral part of your makeup because you get to experiment a lot with your eye makeup and actually stand like make your makeup stand out. The first brand that we tried was from Nykaa. The Nykaa like 4 shades palette was also very good. I have like recommended this palette before as well. This is the Nykaa eye color palette in the shade 09, which is Fun Friday. Now this is very good. It has some 4 shade ranges in them as well, as you can see. So this is perfect. Like one has shimmer, or sorry, 2 shimmer colors and 2 natural and new natural colors, basic colors basically. So with this you get to experiment with your eye looks, and if you feel that you're comfortable with these colors and you're comfortable and you know how to play around with colors, then you can go in with different brands that gives you a variety of shade ranges as well. A palette which has a lot of shade ranges in them, then this one is really affordable. This is the Swiss Beauty HD textured shadow palette. Now again, this has a lot of shade ranges in them. Unfortunately, the only thing, the con about this product is the fact that the glitters actually don't stay in for a very long time. If you're looking out for a shimmer perfect one, then obviously the Huda Beauty palette are to like absolutely worth the money, because I have their nude palette and it actually has some amazing shade ranges in them, and the shimmer is equally very good in it. So yeah, that is one palette that I absolutely like. Now if you are also, if you are looking out for something more affordable, then the NY Bay Love palette is also something like I love eyeshadow palette is something that is really good. Again, this has very basic colors. Now for that reason, I will be recommending the one from Maybelline. The Maybelline nude palette is also very good. Now it has the perfect nude colors, little bit of shimmer as well, and some basic colors in it. And as you know that nowadays people are in for nudes and like basics. Everything is going back into basics, so I think like the Maybelline nude palette would be a perfect one to go ahead with. Lipsticks. Now I have always spoken about the Maybelline vinyl ink lipsticks. The L'Oreal lipsticks are also very good. Now, a new brand that I came across that I haven't tried before was this one. This is the House of Makeup Dawn to Dawn Liquid Matte Lipstick. Now, this again has a lot of different colors. I have this one and another one. It's very, very good. The color and the shade ranges that they have are also amazing. So, if you're looking out for a new brand to check out, I think the House of Makeup is something that you can definitely check out. You can also try the Swiss Beauty Bulletproof lipsticks. Like the bullet lipsticks are very, very, very good. Again, the shade ranges that they have are also very good. So yeah, that is something that you can definitely check out. Apart from that, this is also something that I recently purchased. This is the Love Child by Masaba. This is their Lush Matte Lip Creme. I'm in the shade 05 Jamun Cooler. This is like, it has like that perfect purple kind of shade to it as well. It's not proper pink, but it also has that purple kind of effect, which looks very, very beautiful. I love, love, love this shade. I have applied this like a lot of times. Looks very, very beautiful as well. It is a little bit expensive, but I think that investing in such good brands is never gonna be like a regret, because again, lipsticks are also something that lasts for a very, very long time. So I'm sure that you can invest in such brands like Love Child by Masaba, Maybelline, L'Oreal, Lakme. House of Makeup is really good, and K Beauty lipsticks are also very, very good. Their lip glosses are also very good. Even the Mars and the Plum lipsticks are also very good. I have tried the Plum lipsticks. Again, it isn't long wear kind of lipstick, but it has some amazing shade ranges. Lastly, eyeliners and kajals. Again, I have mentioned in the last video as well. For kajals, I love the Maybelline kajal, the Lakme iconic kajal, and the Rene Kajal, the Rene Midnight Kajal is a perfect, perfect, perfect kajal that you will be looking out for, because it gives you that bold look as well if you want to play around with your eye makeup using a kajal, and if you want that light kind of kajal look as well, it will give you. Talking about eyeliners, my most favorite eyeliner is this one from K Beauty, because it is very, very long lasting. It is waterproof as well. So I love that thing about K Beauty. K Beauty also has some amazing shade ranges in the same eyeliner set. You can also try out the Lakme, the Maybelline like eyeliners. So these are some eyeliner recommendations. And with that, we end today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I've tried bringing in all of these combinations together and come up with a beginner friendly kit for you, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in a very, very new video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.